You guys watching the irrigation install being done behind me. Just wanted to let you guys know we offer 3 packages. We have our builder special, which comes with a 1-year warranty. We got our water saver package, which uses state-of-the-art MP rotators, which are the most water efficient heads out there to save on your water bill. That comes with a 2-year warranty, and we also have a 10-year warranty package. We use stainless steel rotors in the yard to increase the longevity of your irrigation system. Another package you guys can upgrade to is a smart Wi-Fi controller. The benefits for them for you is you can run it from anywhere in the world. You just run it straight from your phone as long as you have Wi-Fi connectivity to it. The other benefit for it is it links up to the weather channel. It automatically adjusts your watering time based on what the weather's doing it for you. So you can save a bunch of money doing this. We got Hunter certified guys behind us installing the system, and with over 35 years experience on the job. Please give us a call to install your sprinkler system. Thanks.